I've been watching you. Just come to me.
And we will be going there down, so it's all this way of walk, and right now we are here. Okay, we did all the walking from there and we are come now, and as per last time what I was here, the amount of water is not there, but still there's a good view. Last time this water, which is only till here, it was full till there, so it was lots of water coming down. So this time it is less. Anyways, it's still good.
Just come to me.
Hope you liked the video which you have seen. Ashoka Vihigaon Waterfall, the name Ashoka came because the movie of Ashoka was shooted here. So this is it. Whatever you have seen, this is what I enjoyed. Rajesh also enjoyed. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give a like. सिर्फ एक बटन मारना पड़ता है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना पड़ता है. And if you are new to this channel, or if you are watching my videos but have not subscribed, then you should subscribe.
I had come at this place, Vihiga Waterfall, even in monsoon. The exact date was 15th August 2017 because that was the day first time I had a long ride.